डिस्ट्रिक्ट घोषित करते हैं। Water is absorbed by two pathways. Yesterday we have learned that the plant absorbs capillary water only. So seed imbibes water at first time. Fine. Then after sprouting, you know the sprouted seed, the white fiber comes out. It is nothing but radicle. So when radicle fits in the soil at first time, it absorbs the water by simple diffusion. And then onwards, the water is absorbed by root by osmosis throughout its life. Three phases check. Fine. So here, water is absorbed by plant in two pathways. First, apoplast pathway and symplast pathway. Apoplast means from cell wall to cell wall. Fine. Apoplast pathway means cell wall to cell wall. You know that we are talking about the plant right now. So we have plant cell possess cell wall at the outermost side. So when the two cells are coming in contact with each other, so cell wall of the one cell is attached to the another cell wall, and symplast occurs Have you ever heard this? The cytoplasm of the one cell to cytoplasm of the another cell through plasmodesmata. You draw the one diagram, then I will explain that. Huh? pericycle. Endodermis. Written. So Caspanian. Lignosubetic. Written over. Xylem. Cosa ridi? हाँ. Done. Written. Clear? चलो जो ध्यान रखो. When you see the transverse section of root or stem like that, so only you remember that right now the different layers, but out to in. We easily say that the water is transported through the xylem. Okay? Water is absorbed by root hairs, and then from the root hairs the water is now entering the xylem, and through the xylem it moves upwards. But you remember that water moves from which different layers. So when you observe the different layers of the root, but here condition is that out to in. So we see the plant just out from the outside. So the outermost layer is known as epidermis. Epidermis, then cortex, then endodermis. Endodermis. Okay, but અહીંયા ધ્યાન રાખજો કે root section તમે લો તો for example this is the endodermis. સાંભળજો ધ્યાનથી હા. This is the endodermis and this is the epidermis. I have taken the, for example, this is the root. I have taken the transverse section, and from the top it looked like this. Here xylem is there. Xylem is in this way. Okay, and here root hairs are there. Understand what I have drawn here? Yes?
Yes.
So root hair consists soil particles. Then this is epidermis, this is cortex, this is endodermis, and just inside that endodermis pericycle is there. And this is the xylem vessel. Okay, so how the water is absorbed and reached to the xylem, એ આપણે explain કરવાનું છે. So water enters in the xylem. Before that it has to pass through these different layers. Absorption of the water occurs in the two ways. First thing is this apoplast pathway, means cell wall to cell wall. So the blue colored arrows are of the apoplast pathway, but diagram માં mistake કરી હોય તો clear કરી નાખજો. એન્ડોડર્મિસ પછી એપોપ્લાસ્ટ પાથવે માં એરો નહીં આપતા. કોઈ એવું કર્યું હોય તો જોઈ લે. Fine. And this is red color arrow, that is symplast. સાંભળો ધ્યાનથી, એક જ concept clear કરવાનો છે. So you know that just outside of the epidermis, this is the external area. So from that water is absorbed. So water is absorbed and enter into the root. Some of the water enter into the apoplast, and some of the water enter into the symplast pathway. So we say that this is the cytoplasm of the cell. Clear? Cytoplasm. So this region is known as plasmodesmata. Understand? So the water enter inside the cytoplasm of the epidermis, and through plasmodesmata it enters into the cytoplasm of the cortical cell, then endodermic cell, and then pericycle cell, and then go onwards. But હવે આ એક વસ્તુ સમજવાની છે ખાસ. અચ્છા, આપણે ડાયાગ્રામ આમ ડ્રો કર્યો છે. હવે કાસ્પેરિયન સ્ટ્રીપ કઈ રીતે આવે છે એ ધ્યાનથી સમજો. હા, સૌથી ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ એ છે. For example, you consider that this is the epidermis, cortex, endodermis and pericycle. Understand? Okay? આપણે ડાયાગ્રામ આમ ડ્રો કર્યો છે. હવે તમને બતાવું છું આમથી. At endodermis, radially arranged Casparian strip is present. Radially arranged. This is only in the endodermis. In endodermis, radially arranged Casparian strip is present. Okay, so this Casparian strip is made up of majority suberin. ઘણી બધી જગ્યાએ તમે રીડ કરશો that Casparian strip is made up of suberin only, but little bit portion of lignin is also there. So we say that Casparian strip is made up of lignosuberin. પણ ધ્યાન રાખો, આ સાઈડ કઈ છે? એપિડર્મિસ, કોર્ટેક્સ. એન્ડોડર્મિસ માં આવી ગયું પેરીસાઇકલ. આ એપોપ્લાસ્ટ. માર્કરની આઉટસાઇડ એપોપ્લાસ્ટ and માર્કરની ઇનસાઇડ સિમ્પ્લાસ્ટ. Water is absorbed. May I continue? Are you sure? May I continue? Sure?
Yes.
Okay. સાંભળજો. There is a no obstruction in symplast. Water is transported from the cytoplasm, plasmodesmata, cytoplasm, plasmodesmata, like that. So water is continuing to flow. Water is continued in apoplast pathway also, but till endodermis. હવે તમને સાઈડમાં બતાવો. Water transported through, ખબર પડી મેં શું કર્યું? Water is transported through cell wall to cell wall, epidermis, cortex and endodermis. Radially arranged Casparian strip. મેં તમને આમ Casparian strip બતાવીશ, but it is in this way. એટલે એક જ સાઈડ દેખાય. Casparian strip is radially arranged. It is made up of suberin. It is impermeable for water. So from endodermis, remember, from endodermis, water move from apoplastic pathway to symplast pathway, and then water is transported onwards. આ એક જ concept સમજવાનો છે. Symplast pathway માં ક્યાંય obstruction નહીં આવે, but apoplast pathway in that checkpoint is there at the endodermis. Endodermis, in that Casparian strip is made up of the suberin, which is impermeable for water. So it prevents the flowing of water onwards. So Casparian strip is located in this way. So from endodermis now water enter into the symplast pathway. The shortcut શું છે? Epidermis, both the pathways. સાંભળજો. Epidermis, both the pathway. What? Symplast and apoplast. Cortex, again symplast, apoplast both, but endodermis was that symplast one. અહીંયા filtration slit છે endodermis. So in endodermis, this Casparian strip prevent the excess water transport and mineral transport onwards. That's why it is known as checkpoint. આપણે ઘણી વખત one state to another state enter થઈ એટલે check post આવે, ખબર છે? Similar to that, here in the endodermis check post is there, checking point. It controls the water amount and minerals amounts should be transported further. બરાબર? એટલે now here you remember that symplast and apoplast both are continued here, but in the endodermis apoplast becomes symplast, and then after the pericycle from that water comes out, that is first entered inside the protoxylem. Protoxylem is nothing but the initial xylem which is generated. Protoxylem is old xylem, newly formed xylem, and then protoxylem is converted into mature xylem, that is metaxylem, and through the metaxylem it is transported to the required region of the plant. એટલે આજે ખાલી એટલું જ સમજવાનું છે કે Casparian strip is made up of suberin. પણ ક્યાંક તમને લિગ્નિન પણ આઈડેન્ટિફાઈ થાય તો ક્યાંક તમને લિગ્નોસુબેરિન પણ કહે છે, ત્યાં કન્ફ્યુઝ નહીં થતા. Very little bit portion of lignin is also there, but majority it is formed of the suberin, which is impermeable for water. So then onwards, the apoplastic water absorption and transport of it is entered inside the symplast pathway. Clear? So these are the arrows of the apoplast. Fine. And these are the arrows of the symplast. बस आज यहाँ तो रखिए. हाँ, अच्छा હવે અહીંયા કેવું છે, જો એક મિનિટ ક્લિયર કરાવી દઉં. આપણે છે ને તમે અહીંયાથી આમ જાવ ને તો એન્ડોડર્મિસ તો એક સર્કલ જ છે. એન્ડોડર્મિસ ઇઝ ધેર ઇન ધી સર્ક્યુલર મેનર. સો રૂટ હેર, એપિડર્મિસ, કોર્ટેક્સ, એન્ડોડર્મિસ. રૂટ હેર, કોર્ટેક્સ, એન્ડોડર્મિસ, લાઈક ધેટ. ઓકે, એટલે આમાં એક જ પાથવે આવે. એટલે એક્ચ્યુઅલી શું છે, એપિડર્મિસ, cortex, endodermis, pericycle, xylem, pericycle, endodermis, cortex and epidermis. એટલે આપણે xylem માં સ્ટોપ થઈ જવાનું. પડે છે ખબર? આપણે આટલો જ પોર્શન ઇન્ડિકેટ કરવાનો છે, આટલો જ પોર્શન. હવે આ તમે અહીંયાથી કન્સિડર કરો તોય વાંધો નહીં, અહીંયાથી કન્સિડર કરો તોય વાંધો નહીં, અને અહીંયાથી કન્સિડર કરો તોય વાંધો નહીં. બટ એટ અ xylem it is over. ટ્રાન્સવર્સ સેક્શન લીધો છે, હો, ધ્યાન રાખજો. પડે છે કે ખબર? થઈ ગયું બાઉન્સ. રૂટ હેર, એપિડર્મિસ, cortex, endodermis, pericycle and xylem. બસ આ લેયર્સ. પછી તમે આમ જોવા જાવ તો અહીંયાથી તમે આમ મૂવ થાવ ને તો xylem is there, then pericycle, then endodermis, then cortex, then epidermis and root hair. એમ પાછું ટ્રાન્સપોર્ટ ન થાય. અહીંયા xylem ની અંદર વોટર એન્ટર થઈ ગયું હોય, then it move outwards. Okay, chalo fine, here I can stop now.